It's a certified 2015 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. It's the fine touches that make ordinary things great, and it's apparent in the hand finishes and subtle details that there's greatness here. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com notes ride quality is exceptionally compliant with the standard setup of steel springs and conventional dampers. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,